Hi everyone, let's see that how we can make $2,000 from 50 a deposit. You see that I'm trading on BTC XAU. This market opens on Sunday too. So I am opening trades with price action strategy I'm using. I will explain everything that how I open trades on sell position. So I will grow this account very soon. So watch this that how I am trading. I see the trend line in up position, and I see the market will comes in down position, so I take so many trades here with perfection. So you see that the some profit is running in my account. Watch and let's see that how we can earn from this. First of all, remember guys, I'm using unlimited leverage account this. So the broker link is in comment section, and also broker link is in description. You can check there right now. So I opened so many trades on sell position. You see that these all trades running in profit time. Yes guys, so we have closed 113 total balance is over right now. So we will search another entry that we will see that how we can make a lot of profit with this balance. So I am opening so many trades in sell position now. I know that market will go again in sell position. So let's see that how market can go in sell position guys. Also I have said that I'm using a unlimited leverage account, so there is unlimited trades I can open in this account. So I have already giving group link is in description, so you can check that and contact me for everything guys. So you see that market will go in down position. So the three trend lines I have made here, there are a strong retest in this position guys. A massive entry guys. You see there is news, a little news. You see that I have made a 229 balance now. You see that a big and a smooth news that we catch here guys. You see there now we will open a buy position. I know that after news market go little in buy position, so we will book our profit here and make a huge profit guys. You see that our all trades running in profit. There is something technical uses I'm doing now. 379 balance we have, and now the market will retest a little in down position. So I opened so many sell trades here. I will close a little profit, so I will book profit here because there is nothing to do. We have to make a profit here with simply price action strategy guys. So this price action strategy we are using for making a lot of profit here. And guys, before edit this video I have recorded and now I am editing, so you are hearing my voice after this trading. So guys, we are opening BTC USDT market to making a perfection entry guys. I am opening so many buy trades here. There we can make a more profit with so many trades, because the profit we have to gain with proper entries. We don't want to lose a $1 here guys. You see that I have opened so many trades on BTC USDT. I know that market will go in up position and we will close a little profit. There is a simply trend line, a little trend line. So with trend line we can make a lot of profit simply using a price action strategy guys. Yes guys, so we have now $426 26 bucks here right now. We are opening BTC USDT market here, and I see that market can go in down position. That from upside we have a support and resistance, and market will go in down position guys right now. So I am opening buy position because market will touch to up resistance, the resistance trend line. So we will close this trend and make a huge profit here guys. So I have opened so many trades on BTC USD in a position guys. You see that market running here. Let's see how much money we make. a smooth and massive move in a position with BTC USD. You know, guys, that you can see the M1 time frame here, guys. We are reaching in good position now. We are close our trades and we have 623 dollar right now. I have opened in sell position. I see a perfection entry, guys. You see I am making profit here with using so many time. I am not making within 4 to 5 minutes, but I waste my lots of time to making this profit, guys. You see that in sell position is very smooth strategy. The smooth in up position we see a smooth trend line, the resistance from position we support a sell position trades here, guys. Right now, guys, you see that market going in sell position here, so we can not calculate these all trade, but you see that we are reaching in 800, but I did not close. I see that market will give a massive entry in down position, then we will close all these trades here. We will do not individually trades open in up to down, but I see that market has breakout smoothly breakout in down position, and we have reaching an up position resistance. So I am opening so many trades. As I have said that I am using unlimited leverage trading account, guys. I know this entry is smoothly going in down position, so we have got a bearish engulfing pattern in a position. You see the smoothly the support and resistance and the resistance trend line in a position. You see we have closed all trades. I was closing, I think we will make 1000 to some more money, but we hit a lot of profit, guys. You see.